Hey, welcome back guys. This is Beamer Merchants doing another do-it-yourself video. Today we're working on a 2000 BMW Z3 convertible 2.5, and in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove the rear bumper. Pretty straightforward process. Let's get started. Tools I'll be using this here, this tool to remove covers, the driver with the Phillips tip, a ratchet 8 and a 13. As you can see, first you gotta open the trunk and you have to remove this trim black cover, which if you look inside should sit at the edge of the trunk here. You are gonna need this tool with the Phillips end to remove these screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 screws. Once you take that off, you're going to have access to the bumper bolts, which look like this. So if you look at the passenger rear, I've gone ahead and removed the bolts, 13. They look like this. And they're 1, 2, 3. You go to the other end on the driver rear. Okay, 1, 2. After that, you take 8mm, and I don't know if you can see it here. I've taken the bolt off, but see right here, right underneath, there's an 8mm bolt holding this end and the other end as well. Take those off. The bolt will look like this. Alright, seems pretty straightforward, correct? Well, as you can see, started pulling, this side came out. Had a hard time pulling this side out. Couldn't figure it out. Then, luckily, I was able, the tail light was already out. So I looked down here, and I noticed that there's one here, one bolt here, and guess what? There's a third bolt. However, you cannot access it from up here. That third bolt, it's underneath. Let me see if I can show you. Let me see, where's my hand at? Right here. There's my hand. See it? That bolt is gonna be, and if you, right, my hand, right here. I can feel it. So you have to take that 13mm bolt in order for this bumper to come out. Most people make the mistake of thinking there's only 2 bolts on the back. They start pulling and they end up breaking the rear bumper. So let me remove the third one. And this is what I'm going to use. An extension 13 3/8 ratchet. Now I wish I had this car up on the lift so you could see where the bolt is, but I guess this is better because in most cases you guys will be removing your rear bumper when the car is on the ground. So all you have to do is reach in there and find the 13. Alright, see? This is how it looks. Now let's start pulling on the bumper, see if that was the reason why it wasn't coming out. Okay, so we've taken that bolt off. If you got 2 people, that's better. If not, then you can do it yourself. On the back, if you can pan the camera here. There's these connections. In this case, I'm just gonna cut them out, but these are the connections to the license plate lights. So before you actually remove the whole bumper, make sure you disconnect these. Okay, looking back at the driver rear, this is where that third bolt, the hidden bolt, is located. You need to access it from underneath the car. Well, there you have it. We managed to remove that bumper out of the Z3. The removal process should be the same for Z3 models from 97 to 2001. And this is the Roadster. I don't think they made changes from the earlier models to the newer models. In 2001, I believe they stopped making these models. Just be cautious. This bumper is somewhat heavy. So if you have 2 people, that'll be best. If not, you can do it yourself. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Be sure to like our video, subscribe for future videos, and if you need any BMW pre-owned parts, check out our website posted below. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Take care.